Deadlifts are an awesome compound exercise which take the principles of hip hinging and create power throughout the body. Although it utilises many muscles in its execution, the hamstrings are a major hinging and pulling muscle being relied on, and many people say they can't feel the deadlift in this area. If so, try these tips. Firstly, let's take away the constraints of the barbell and practice the hinging motion standing with a resistance band. Place the band under both feet, take a firm grip, and while maintaining a relatively neutral spine, which is one that doesn't overly flex through the lower or upper back, maintain your tension in the lats and upper back by pulling tight on the band and use your hips to drive the movement. Think of this almost like a standing hip thrust. If you allow your hips to thrust through, you're allowing your hamstrings and glute max to create a large amount of hip extension, which drives the standing up motion from your starting point in a deadlift. Here, Tammy is showing the next progression, which involves wrapping the resistance band around the bar. This can be with an empty bar to start off with, or a bar with lower weights as a warm-up. The only thing that changes here is that you drive your upper back tension from pulling the bar, rather than the resistance band from before. Other considerations when deadlifting to help maximise hip and hamstring involvement are foot placing in terms of where the bar starts, which is roughly halfway over your feet. This helps you maintain a relatively straight bar path on the lift by placing the weight closer to your centre of gravity.